Hi there! In this video I will show you how to factory reset your Eufy E220. Let's get started. Firstly, make sure that it is powered on, and after this we just need to find this setup button right on the back of the camera. Then we just need to press and hold this button for 10 seconds. Listen, as soon as you hear two clear beeps, release the button. This means that the reset process has started. Let's do it. Now we can release the finger and wait until the reset is complete. The camera will reboot itself and return to the factory settings. After it has rotated automatically, you can see this steady blue light, which indicates that the reset process has been completed. And now just open this Eufy application and you can see that it removed our camera and we would need to add this device once more. So that's it. I hope this video was useful for you and thank you so much for watching.